So Tecno has just unveiled the Spark 50 Pro, and the device is expected to hit retail shelves across various regional markets over the coming weeks. The phone arrives with a modern flat frame design, a large rectangular camera island, and a sleek minimalist look that gives it a more premium appearance. On the front, the Spark 50 Pro features a massive 6.78-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, but unfortunately, the resolution stays at just 720 by 1600 pixels, and this is actually a huge downside. I wasn't expecting any mid-rangers to launch with an HD Plus display. Now to talk of a Pro model device from Tecno. The phone is rated IP68 and IP69 for dust and water resistance, and it can also withstand high pressure water jets since it is IP69 rated. Tecno is also advertising drop resistance of up to 1.5 meters. Powering the device is the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB internal storage, plus support for expandable storage through a dedicated micro SD card. The phone runs the Android 16 with HIOS 16 out of the box. HIOS 16 is, I believe, Tecno's latest custom skin. For photography, Tecno includes a 50MP main camera with face detection and focus and an 80MP selfie camera on the front. And according to the details, it is the Sony Lichia 600 sensor, which is not bad for a budget device. The device also packs a massive 6000 mAh battery or 5600 mAh battery depending on the market, supported by 60 watts fast charging. Tecno claims the phone can reach 63% in just 30 minutes and a full charge in 55 minutes. It also supports bypass charging, helping reduce heat during gaming sessions. The phone will be available in 5 color options, including ink black, titanium gray, midnight blue, dynamic orange, and cloud white. So you have tons of color options to choose from. Other features include stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.4, standard Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS and other essential navigation systems, FM radio, USB Type-C, and an air blaster, which means you can use this device to control appliances, including your TV. As for pricing, Tecno hasn't officially announced it yet, but based on the specifications and Spark series positioning, expectations are that the Spark 50 Pro could launch somewhere between $180 and $250, depending on the memory configuration and market. And yeah, the device is expected to have different memory configurations. So these are the top specs of the Tecno Spark 50 Pro. It's a really nice device in my opinion, except for the fact that it has just an HD Plus display. Anyway, this is just my opinion. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.